Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your age on Epic Games launcher or app. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need just to open your Epic launcher or Epic Games launcher. Then make sure that you are logged in with your account. You can use a Google account or Facebook or other accounts to log in with. After that, you will need just to go here, click on your profile picture, and then we will find account. By clicking on accounts, you will be able to go to the account panel or setting panel. And basically from here, you can change many account settings. But as you can see, there is no age or birthday settings here. So all you will be able to do is to go to contact the support and ask them for changing your birthdays or just age. Otherwise, you can have your accounts if you have like linked some accounts to your admin accounts, for example, from here, make sure that they have another age so you can have some your age that will be changed with your account settings. And also, if you want like only to have some game or to be able to access some game depends on the age section or the age tranche, you can just go to the parental controls from here and go to set parental control pin. And I'm just going to do 1111 and I'm just going to create this pin. And from here, you can just require pin to get new games rated above. And for example, you can have all these targets to the age games. So you will need just to start setting your parental control and you will be able to access a higher age game. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.